Good day, everybody. My name is Tabi Maj. Welcome to our online English class. Today, we are busy with punctuation. Our punctuation today is still apostrophe, also known as contractions. Please check the board and see what we are busy with. Our punctuation today is still apostrophe and also known as contractions. We use in informal writing when we chat on social media. We don't use it in the office. So here are our contractions. Number one, I have I am. We write it as I'm. We omit the A and then we put the letters together and put an apostrophe in the space of A. And then we have I have, and then we write it as I've. We omit the H and the A, we put the words together, and then in the place of H and A, we put an apostrophe. We have I had, and then we put the words together, we omit an H and A, and then we put an apostrophe in the place of H and A. Then we have I shall. We put the word together and omit SH and A, we put an apostrophe in their place. So here are other contractions. Number two, you are, we write it as you are. You have, we write it as you've. You had, we write it as you'd. You will, we write it as you'll. Number three, we are, we write it as we are. We have, we write it as we've. We had, we write it as we'd. We shall, we write it as will. Number four, they are, we write it as they are. They have, we write it as they've. They had, we write it as they'd. They shall, we write it as they'll. Number five, have not, we write it as haven't. Must not, we write it as mustn't. Could not, we write it as couldn't. Would not, we write it as wouldn't. Number six, cannot, we write it as can't. Will not, we write it as won't. Do not, we write it as don't. Number seven, would have, we write it as would have. Should have, we write it as should have. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Please tune in again next time. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Please comment, like and share, subscribe. Let's have a conversation. Let's have fun. Thank you very much. Goodbye.